Hi friends, today I am going to start chapter 1 Integers for class 7. In this class I am giving introduction to integers and exercise 1.1. We started our number system with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And this number system is called natural numbers or counting numbers. After the introduction by 0, we extended our number system as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And this number system we called as whole numbers. Then we learned the numbers which are less than 0 and it is called negative numbers. Then our number system further extended as -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. etc. This number system we can call it as integers. And you also learned how to represent these integers on a number line. Let us see. Here, a line is divided into equal divisions, and in the middle we can write 0. Then to the right of 0 we are write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. And to the left on 0 we are writing -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. That means one division left to 0 is -1 and one division right to 0 is +1. In this way we can represent integers on a number line. The numbers which are on the right side of 0 we can call it as positive integers, and the numbers which are left side of 0 we can call it as negative integers. Now take a integer -6. What does -6 indicate? It is just 6 units less than 0. Similarly, -10 means it is 6 unit. Sorry, 10 units less than 0. In this way, we can locate the points on a number line. Here is an activity for you. A number line representing integers is given below. Only -3 and -2 are marked by the letters E and F. What you have to do is, which integers are marked by B, D, H, J, M and O. So you have to find out 0 over 0 is, then according to it you can count. If it is forward, positive number. If it is in backward, the letters are in backward, represents negative numbers. Do find yourself. Here is your second activity. Arrange 7, -5, 4, 0 and -4 in ascending order. Ascending order means first you have to write the smallest one, then bigger than that, like that you proceed. That is ascending order. Then mark them on a number line to check your answer. You draw a number line and mark all these integers on it and check whether they are in ascending order or not. Do you remember how to add two integers? What is 5 plus 3? Yes, you are getting 8. Now what is negative 5 plus negative 3? You will get negative 8 as answer. So how do you add two integers? It is very simple. When the integers having same sign, here 5 plus 3 both are positive, so answer it is 8. Here negative 5 plus negative 3, we add the integers 8 and put the same sign. So when we have the same sign, add and put the same sign. Then if the integers having different sign, what will you do? When one positive and one negative integers are added, or one negative integer and one positive integer are added, instead of adding, we subtract them and put the sign of the bigger integer. Bigger integer is decided by ignoring the sign of the integers. Without the sign, which one is the bigger? That number sign we had put. Let us see, let us discuss a question. Here you have negative 5 plus 3. So sign of 5 is negative, sign of 3 is positive. That means different number, different sign. So what we have to do? Instead of adding, you subtract it. What is 5 minus 3? You get 5 minus 3, 2. Then which sign you will put? 5, 3. Which one is greater? 5. Then what is the sign of 5? Negative. So the answer is, you are getting negative 2. Now let me do another problem. 20 plus negative 50. Here also different sign. 20 having positive. No sign means it is positive. So 20 is positive, 15 is negative. So different sign means you have to subtract. 20 minus 50. You are getting 5. Then bigger number 20 is sign is positive. So no need of writing positive. If you write 5, then it is understood that its sign is positive. So answer is 5. Will you do some problem? Negative 18 plus negative 2, negative 3 plus 12, 4 plus negative 9, 7 plus negative 7, 10 plus 2. 5 questions are there. Do it fast. Pause the video and do it. Let us check your answer. Negative 18 plus negative 2. Both are negative. So 18 plus 2, 20. Same sign negative. Negative 3 plus 12. One is positive, one is negative, another is positive. Different signs, so subtract. 12 minus 3, you will get 9. 12 is the bigger number, so positive 9. 4 plus negative 9. Different signs, so subtract. 9 minus 4, you will get 5. Sign of 9 is negative. So negative 5 is the answer. 7 plus negative 7. Here also different sign. So subtract. 7 minus 7, 0. If you get 0, 0 doesn't have any sign. So put 0 as it is. Next 10 plus 2. Both having same sign. So 10 plus 2, 12. Positive sign. So simply write 12. Hope all you got the correct answer. Here you have a number line. Consider a number negative 8 What does negative 8 indicates? It is 8 division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 division behind 0, or it is 8 division left to 0. Now what is the number which is 8 division right to 0 or in front of 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is positive 8. Here we can say negative 8. Negative 8 is the additive inverse of 8. That means if you add negative 8 and 8, you will get 0. Then what is the additive inverse of negative 5? It is positive 5. What is the additive inverse of 3? It is negative 3. Now let us discuss subtraction of integers. It is very simple. It is just like addition. The subtraction of an integer is the same as addition of its additive inverse. Let us discuss a question. Here 5 minus negative 4. What is to be subtracted here? You have to subtract negative 4. So what is the additive inverse of negative 4? It is 4. So you just add 4 to 5. You will get the answer. So you can write 5. This minus will become plus. Then additive inverse of negative 4 is equal to 4. So 5 plus 4, you know, same sign. You are getting 9. Let us see the another question. Negative 3 minus 10. What is to be subtracted here? 10 you have to subtract. So what is the additive inverse of 10? It is negative 10. So we can write negative 3. This minus will become plus. Then additive inverse of 10 is negative 10. So negative 3 plus negative 10. Now look at the sign. Here 3 having negative, 10 also negative. That means same sign. You have to add the numbers and put the same sign. So you will get 10 plus 3 30 and the sign is negative. So the answer is negative 30. Will you do some questions? Here you have 5 questions. Do yourself. Let us check your answer. 10 minus negative 10. That you can write 10 plus additive inverse of negative 10 is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Additive inverse means you just change the sign of the number. That's all. 4 minus 5. 4 plus the second number 5. Change the sign, negative 5. 4 plus negative 5. Now it is different sign. So subtract. 1 bigger number, 5 sign is negative. So negative 1 is the answer. 12 minus 97. So it is 12 plus sign, change the sign, it is 7. 12 plus 7, 19. Negative 2 minus 5. That is negative 2 plus negative 5. So negative 7. 96 plus minus 96. So negative 6 plus, change the sign, 6. Different sign, subtract 0. 0 doesn't have any sign. Hope all of you got the correct answer. Here you have some statements. You have to say whether the statements are correct or incorrect. Is there any incorrect statement or wrong statement? You have to correct it. Let us look at the first. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Two positive integers are adding means you are getting a positive integer. It is correct. What about the second? When two negative integers are added, we get a positive integer. Will you? No, two negative integers means you are getting a negative integer. Do correct it and write. When a positive integer and a negative integer are added, we always get a negative integer. It is not necessary. If positive integer is the greater number, we will put the sign positive. So it is incorrect. Additive inverse of an integer 8 is negative 8 and additive inverse of negative 8 is 8. Yes, it is correct. For subtraction, we add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Yes, we are changing the sign of the second integer. So it is correct. We are taking the additive inverse of the second denominator. Negative 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. It is wrong. It is negative 10 plus negative 3. 8 plus negative 7 minus negative 4. This is also incorrect. You have to write 8 plus negative 7. Here you have to write plus change the sign 4. So it is 8 plus negative 7 plus 4. That is correct. Do write it down. Here you have exercise 1.1. Look at the first question. Following number shows the temperature in degrees. Here is a line, number line, and temperature is noted here in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now let us go to the from left. First, Lahul Spiti. Here you can see here is 0. From 0, this is 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. This is negative 8. So you have to write Lahul Spiti negative 8 degree Celsius. Similarly, Srinagar is here. So 2 division backward to 0. That is negative 2. Shimla, it is positive 5. Ooty 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. Bangalore 22 degree Celsius. That you have to write down. Now, what is the next question? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? Hottest is Bangalore, 22 degrees Celsius. Coldest place is Lahul Spiti, that is negative 8 degrees Celsius. So you subtract 22 minus negative 8. You will get 30 degree Celsius. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Lahul Spiti negative 8, Srinagar negative 2. Find out the difference. Negative 8 minus 92 and write the answer. Can we say temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar is negative 2. And Shimla taken together. Shimla is 5. So negative 2 plus 5, negative 2 plus 5 is equal to positive 3. Is less than the temperature at Shimla. Shimla temperature 5. Taken together you are getting 3. Yes, it is less than. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Temperature at Srinagar is negative 2. No, it is not less than. So first one is yes and the second one is no. Here is the question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2. Look at the question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If judge scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? You have to add all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Add in negative numbers, positive numbers separately and add at last you add both the answers. Or you can write 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Add 25, 15 and 10 together plus -5 plus -10 together. Then add both numbers. Write the answer. Next, at Srinagar, temperature was 95 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of the Srinagar on Tuesday? It is dropped means again go below 95 degrees Celsius. What is below 92 division below 95 degrees Celsius? It is -7 degrees. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. From -7, it is again go up by 4 degrees Celsius. So -7, -6, -5, -4. So 4 degree means it will reach to -3 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Next, a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? One is 5,000 above, another is 1,200 meters below. But you have to add the distance between these two. That is 5,000 plus 1,200. That is 6,200 meters. Do it. Here is your question number 5. Mohan deposits 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account represented by a negative integer. Withdrawal means we are taking money from the bank. It is represented negative integer. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? The deposited amount, how will you represent? If you are taking back, it is negative, then deposit will be a positive integer. So you can write a positive integer. Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Subtract 1,642 from 2,000. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. So study well. Have a nice day.